Hey guys, so I'm at Home Depot. I need some garbage bags and soil, and it doesn't hurt to go look at the plants. So I thought that I would take you guys along with me. Let's go do that. As usual, I'll have to put some music over this video. I think this is a different type of fern, right? I know this is a fern. I think it's a fern, but it doesn't say. It is a cool one here today in Florida. Blue dolphin. There's people around me, guys, and I'm shy to talk in front of them. Oh, someone wanted to know the name of this one. The name of this one is lemon bush. Lemon bean bush. Ooh, look at these. Gosh, they look so pretty. Gatva Mosaki. It looks so nice. Tempting, even though I have some tempting. I don't have this. This looks pretty cool. I think this is a silver dollar jade, but it looks different. I don't have this one, and I always like it. It's the peach one. Something peach. They're really heavy because it rained. It downpoured yesterday, I believe, or the day before yesterday. Yep, grab the petal and peach. I don't have that one. Dragon fruit. Yeah, so I really like the Echeverria Chroma because I don't have any more. Those are beautiful, and I've always wanted the Grappa Petal and Peach. Maybe I'll get them. I'll think about it. The Echeverria Chroma is $10, and the Grappa Petal and Peach is $9. But look at those dusty roses. Look at how beautiful all that looks now. So pretty. Look, here's some chroma in this beautiful arrangement. this self-control, and I just told myself which one I really want, and I decided the Echeveria chroma. She's such a beautiful plant. She gets really pretty colors when she's stressed, and it was a lot of heads. You get a lot of I guess heads, plants, whatever you want to call it, in this one pot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is really nice. I will post here right on the side of the screen a picture of a chroma that I had that was probably because of stress, was showing some really nice colors, like a green and a yellow. So I'll put it on the side here so you guys can see it. But Echeveria chroma did very well inside the greenhouse. Outside the greenhouse, at certain times she would do well, and then I think because of humidity she wouldn't. So this one I'm going to keep inside the greenhouse, just so that, you know, I just don't have to repurchase her. If I propagate her, I will try to, you know, have those be outside the greenhouse, because I always like to figure out a way to be successful outside of the greenhouse. That is always my goal, because my greenhouse is only so big. But yeah, so this is what I ended up purchasing. Such a beautiful plant. Yeah, I'll just repot her into a nice pot and leave her in the greenhouse. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.